Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to add Instagram link to TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, we are going to know how to add Instagram link to TikTok bio. First of all, click on the TikTok app. Click on the profile icon. Now add it profile. Here there is an option of social. You can add any of your Facebook link, Instagram link. Click here and you have to enter your email address, password or phone number of your Instagram link. Your both of devices will be linked. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.